Tsaka may mga buhay naman din po ng mga framers, member po ng 1986 Constitutional Commission. At sinasabi nila the intention really to make it easier in plain English doon sa Article 11 yun, no? The impeachment, no? Article 11, to make it more understandable and easier for ordinary people to comprehend, ay may intention po yan to make it faster, to make it easier. Yung forthwith sinabi, it does not only speak about the procedural matters that it should be taken, it also speaks about when an issue of impeachment is laid down, it also speaks about the urgency of the matter. Kaya forthwith ang ginawa nila eh. So, even they themselves said, we made it very plain in plain English at mas madaling intindihin as mas madali. Kasi the reason for them, and I think this is the wisdom at na-experience natin, in order to avoid this kind of fanfare, itong kung ano-ano lang yung nagkakaroon tayo ng mga issue na pinupolitika. Ang tanong ko nga is, pag mayroon bang kasalanan ng isang public officer, sabihin lang niyang pamumulitika, ligtas ka na. Hindi po. So I think that's the intention of the framers of the Constitution. Why they made it so simple and so easy to understand.